What's up, guys? Tonight's the night. Got my backpack full of diapers.
Randy Becker, thank you very much. The gentleman's up here in the tower. Thank you.
Little update here. Since we last seen it, he went and updated the wheels. Those are the new wheels he's working with. And set up. Alright, so it's almost that time. Chris over here, suit and all. Look at this dude. Look at this dude. Oh man, so alright, so we're about to we're gonna wait till we get a little closer, then we're gonna throw some ice in there. We need a tail light, so we got some flashlights going there. So yeah, we gotta remember to click those on before we go ahead and take off.
What? Jeff? What?
Ice, lights.
Come on. Now, lights now.
Jeez, come on.
Oh, he put the lights on. I like it.
Go ahead. Double click the other line. There we go. Oh, we're in there. We're lit. Iced up.
Helmet, neck brace.
Alright, locked.
Alright, I'm gonna go.
Lights on.
Does that need to move?
Yeah. Laptop dead. So you should run a good pass as a C8 here, you know? Set.
I get 111, 60.
That's great. He said, oh, he said, oh, just because you're a C8 don't mean you can do what you want. Oh, get back the fuck up. You're leaking something underneath right here.
Gas.
Oh, shit.
Not a lot. It just kind of like spewed this way.
How much do you have?
I don't have a rag.
What it is your return.
No, while he was
You
just
talking about I
pouring
spilled
it.
something over there?
Oh, yeah, there's something. There was a little drip after you left. The guy wiped it up.
It might have been water off the tank, maybe. Alright, so Chris, what happened?
I didn't have the
You pulled
damn
the-
dash hooked up.
you
I
pulled the
didn't
shot-
dad
uh,
lock
solar
it.
I
panel?
unplugged the laptop and it unplugged the cord into the ECU, so he had no dash.
Oh, no data.
Yeah, so that
Damn.
was all Mama's fault.
So I feel like you should just like do a full pass.
Yeah.
It came out good.
It came out pretty good.
I thought it was good, right? To break the ice.
Yeah? Yeah.
Well, I couldn't see nothing. I didn't have no way to. I couldn't see my air fuel. I couldn't see boost. I couldn't see nothing.
Yeah,
None of that
I
really
didn't have the cord
matters.
plugged
Well,
in.
no,
It really matters if it's
Okay,
running smooth.
Jeremy.
Damn. Damn.
Okay, Jeremy.
Oh, shit.
What's oil pressure, right?
Yeah. Yeah. You didn't get your slip?
No, I went the wrong way. I went right. You got to go left to get a slip turn.
Told you he went the other way.
Yeah. You don't get a slip.
Yeah, but
Yeah, you gotta go left. That's why we were waiting for you on the other side.
I don't know. I'm just curious with the 60 goes because it looks pretty good.
Yeah. So you just ran your second pass. What we got, Chris? Hold on, let me turn the light. Alright. So what we got?
We got a
What'd you do here?
10.7, letting out a little past the 8th.
That's a mile an hour.
Higher mile an hour in the 8th.
Yeah, the mile an hour in the eighth, 106, mile an hour and a quarter, 100. So I let out and was on the brake going through the quarter.
And still ran a 10.
6:55 in the eighth.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
What's the eighth?
In the eighth, 6:55.
Man, I'm about to get a bigger shot now.
Yeah. So, what's the plan for the next pass?
I'm gonna try and leave a little smoother and I'm gonna hold it a little longer.
You're gonna go out the hole, out the back?
I'm gonna try it.
Gonna run it out the back? Alright.
I don't know. I was sitting there on the brake, and when I let off the brake, it didn't go. I thought I was going to do something, but I got back on the brake, and it fucking took off like a bat in hell. So I was like, I don't know.
Damn.
It's not, yeah, it is something. So. No, my stupid ass fucking. All right, so here's my thing on that one now. I done fucking went down there, right, and I got the thing set up right, and I dropped the fucking little thing in my lap. Well, it fell through the hole in my seat. So I was like, all right, no big deal. I'll find it when I get there. I get here, shut the car off.
Damn.
I don't understand. Dean's gonna ambush us on this group flex.
I know, I already told him.
We failed. Alright.
I'm gonna hear this shit all day.
Alright, so this is gonna be the final pass for the night. Ryan, come on, get him, warm them shits up, bro.
Fuck yeah. That bitch moving.
I wanted Daddy to win one round.
Alright, we all wanna know.
That bitch felt so goddamn fast. It wasn't that fast though. It was really. Ah, shit.
What was it?
Alright, so we got
So we got for the people
10-3.
10-3. Dang.
1.41 to the 60, 659 to the 8th.
Alright, that's with the light
So
on.
129.
10-3.
I might have let out a little early too. I'm not really 100% sure where I was supposed to let out at.
That's really good on pump pressure.
Hell yeah. That bitch felt fucking fast, boy. I think it's a 10, but goddamn, that's the fastest thing I fucking.
It's a 10-second car still. What do you mean?
Bro, what do you mean?
That ain't nothing.
It's really more.
It's still asleep.
Up a little bit now.
So
Tomorrow I'll be there with some tile springs that I have left, and I'm just gonna pack them fucking.
I got a bunch of them.
Oh,
I got
good.
some that are this big.
One way says gonna be 50, the other one probably 100.
alright, so we're gonna hand it off to Chris. Chris,
Till next
now that you
time.
got it off your belt, how you feel?
It's pretty good. It was well
Yeah.
worth the wait.
It's
Bitch hits hard off the line, but
yeah.
it's fun.
Yeah, we know we got some things to work on. We're gonna go back, look at the video, kind of go from there. We're gonna look at how he comes out the hole, how he lines up in the groove. That's one thing I noticed that we got to get in the groove a little bit more. But it's doing great. For the first time to run a 10-second pass is crazy. I mean, obviously the power is there, but by the way, he still hasn't fixed it yet.
I fixed it and then it magically stopped working today.
So somebody commented in the comments that there's like a little tab
There we go. It's good.
that is, I guess, missing there. So yeah.
I'm gonna have to figure that out.
Anyways, if you like the video, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. We got FL2K coming up, so we won't have any videos then, but after that we'll be back at the track doing our thing. Peace.